Hey guys, I'm back. I just wanted to update y'all real quick on what I've been up to, where have I been, and all that good stuff, I guess. So, I don't know where to start. So, as y'all know, I'm in school, and this is actually my last semester. So, I started an internship that's a part of my program. I had to do an internship, which is I think is practicum, and then I had to do my capstone class, and then I had a policy class. So it was my last three classes, um, and so I finished my internship on the 27th of April, um, and I will be graduating on Cinco de Mayo. So I'm super excited, which is Saturday, this Saturday. I'm hoping to post this um, today or tonight. Um, so yeah, I've been doing school, and I'm graduating. Yay! Working on my resume, applying to different jobs. What else did I do? Me and Aiden went on a trip to Orlando that my husband planned for us the week of my birthday. My birthday was April 11th. So the week of my birthday was April. Yeah, we went to Orlando for the week of my birthday. Um, and we stayed there until Saturday. Yeah, Saturday morning. We left Saturday morning. It was really nice. We went to Disney. We went to the beach. We just enjoyed the entire week. And I really, excuse me, I really needed that break because, y'all, I've been in school for a long time. That's a whole nother video. Um, if y'all want to even get to know me on a personal level. So yeah. Then when I got back, it was crunch time. Um, doing papers, turning in assignments, doing my internship. So, um, yeah, and before my birthday, my husband actually for my as my birthday gift, he got me a camera, and he also got me a navigation system. So I just wanted to show y'all my camera. This is a Sony NEX C3. Okay, comes with the flash that you can take on and off, and I also have the microphone that you can take on and off. Um, uh, I recorded the product review with that camera, so or with this camera, so that's why the quality is like so nice. So I have to figure out where I will be recording with this when I do my other videos. And he also got me a tripod to go with it, carrying case. Yo, I'm so tired. I'm sorry. A carrying case and like a whole bunch of other stuff with that. Um, let's see what else is there. I think that's it. That's all that's going on. I'm graduating Saturday. I've been doing my internship, which I'm done with now, and now I am revamping my resume so then I can get a job. That's about it. I'm actually my husband. We were talking, and he actually wants me to go back to school for nursing, because that's what I was originally a nursing major, and then I changed it. So he thinks that it would be a good idea for me to um, potentially go back to school for nursing, which I think is a good idea because I still want to pursue that. Um, yeah, that's about it. I'm going to include some pictures that I've taken with my camera just to share with you guys. And I think that's it. Oh, I know what I want to tell y'all about. So, with my graduation being Saturday, on Thursday? Yeah, Thursday the 3rd, I'm going to go to Too Groovy to get my hair straightened. I'm really excited to see what it's gonna look like. I recently dyed my hair. I know y'all probably won't be able to tell, but I dyed my hair red, which is more so of a tint, but which is fine. I don't really want it to be like red. I want to dye my hair eventually, but right now I just want like a tint to it. And I dyed it with Manic Panic's, not Vampire Blood, Rock and Roll Red, maybe. I think so. I dyed it with that. So you can see it more right up here when the sunlight. Of course, I can't see now because I ain't in the sun. Um, Maybe I can include some pictures of what the color sort of kind of looks like also. Um, so I'm getting my hair straightened on Thursday. So I will do another video about that. So yeah, I'm excited to see how long my hair is gonna be because it's been January, February, March, April, May, 16 months since I cut my hair off, and I haven't had a trim, so I'll probably do a length check before. Do a length check before, and then I'll do a length check after as far as when it's curly. Hold on. Yeah, so that's about it that I have to talk about. If there's anything, I know there's a whole bunch of. I've got everyone's request about the Haitian cuisine videos. Y'all let me know. Y'all have any suggestions? Put it down in the description box. And that is it for now. And I will talk to you good people later. Peace.